Meet Claritox Pro, your balance superhero, born in FDA-approved USA labs, crafted under sterile, precise standards. Think lab coats and laser focus. Non-GMO, pure toxin-free capsules, like a salad but cooler and smaller. Not habit-forming, so no awkward breakups with your supplements here, promise. Supports your balance system, because wobbling is for toddlers, not grown-ups. Natural ingredients. Mother Nature's secret recipe for staying upright and sharp. Say goodbye to dizzy days. No more spinning like a bad carnival ride. Stay active all day. Dance, jog, or just conquer the snack aisle confidently. Eco-friendly design, saving the planet while saving you from lightheadedness. Win-win GMP certified. Translation, it's made with the same care as Grandma's cookies. Convenient capsules. Pop one daily and let the balance magic unfold effortlessly. Claritox Pro. Stability, clarity, and confidence in one tiny, mighty capsule.